Today, I want to explain the difference between a soft credit report check and a hard credit report check, and when you want to use each. So first of all, the difference is a soft credit report check does not show up as an inquiry on your credit report. So what this means is it has zero impact on your credit scores, and there's no record of someone seeing your credit as you applied for a loan. So zero negative ramifications on you as the consumer. Versus a hard credit check, what this means is that it does show up as an inquiry on your credit report, which stays on your credit report for the next year, and it also will impact negatively your credit score temporarily. So with a hard credit check, your score is going down and you're having a track record that someone looked at your credit report. Now, you can get pre-approved with a soft credit report check. The lender still gets all the same information as with a hard credit report. They see all three credit bureaus' credit scores, they see all of your trade lines, so they can make a decision on whether or not you're qualified to get the financing you need. The difference is you could get pre-approved, your pre-approval expires several months later, you can get it updated with a new soft check, and you're not getting multiple credit checks, you're not hitting your score unnecessarily several times. If you're getting pre-approved with a hard credit check, you're getting an inquiry when you get your initial pre-approval, you're getting another one when you update it because it expired and you need a new one, and you might be getting another one when you find a home. So you really don't want to have all these unnecessary credit checks that are digging your score every time. With the soft checks, you don't have that problem. You can update your pre-approval as often as needed, and it has zero impact on your scores. Now, once you find a home to buy and you have an accepted offer and you're ready to get ready for closing, at that point you have to do a hard credit check because now you're actually in position to get your loan and you need to have that hard check at that point. But by doing it this way, you're limiting yourself to just one hard credit check, and that's once you're ready to actually transact and get your loan. So there's a big difference there. You could go from having 4 or 5 hard credit checks to buy one house or just one. And it's going to have a much lower impact on your credit scores that way because you're not having all these unnecessary inquiries showing up on your track record. So what I recommend and what I can do for my clients is the soft credit check up front, and then we continue to do that until you're actually ready to buy a home and you have an accepted offer. That way you have the absolute most minimal impact on your scores, and you're not hurting your long-term credit worthiness and ability to get the best rates on things like mortgages or any other type of financing you're looking for. So happy to help you with a pre-approval with just a soft credit check. That way you can confirm all of your information and your options without having any negative impact on your credit scores.